A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good afternoon or evening, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video. I wanted to make on Egld or Multiversx, but the token is still Egld, I think. At least. Wanted to cover it after we got some big news. We'll talk about that, but we'll also talk about the price and some peculiarities that I found with Egld. So let's get right into it. Multiversx, which is the blockchain of which Egld is the coin. Itself is actually, well, it's doing decently, but in total value locked, it's actually compared to other cryptos, for example, it's not doing that well. Daily active addresses isn't that high, daily transactions isn't that high. So, I mean, it's a decent project, but it's compared to other projects, it's not been developing that well in 2023. But we just got some great news, a cooperation with Tencent Cloud, all right? And we all know Tencent, huge Chinese company, and they're working together with them. They mentioned AI very well. They know the narratives in crypto. So this is great news. It's kind of a reaction, and it kind of is in that chain of Solana partnering with Google Cloud and then Avalanche partnering with Amazon Cloud Services. So this is a great development for Multiversx. You can also see that we're very bullish, so that's why I wanted to cover it. It's not as bullish as it was for Avalanche or as it was for Solana, but it's still a bullish development. We got a nice bullish breakout as well. We'll talk about those technicals. But first, what I found, what worried me a little bit, to say the least, is this volume spike. After the news, the volume spiked, and this is 100% whale behavior. The volume spiked from 41 million to 57 million. Almost an increase of, it's an increase of like 40% in volume over the last 24 hours in a matter of 5 minutes. That worries me, all right? Whether it's whales or institutions buying in, it's not great, you know. I mean, you know that they're going to want to sell at a higher price, but we'll have to take that into account. As I said, purely technically, we just had a major bullish breakout, both above the kind of the upper bound of this channel we've been in ever since the beginning of January, but also above this major resistance level at $50. Psychological resistance level, technical level, as you can see. So right now, the main question, I think, is we already touched this next resistance level above us at around $54. In my opinion, the main question is can we actually break through that? Can we actually get through that, break above 54 cents, $54, and get up to our next price target at 58? After which we can start to talk about going up to 61, 62, 64, but I'll leave that up to me in the future. For now, this is the main question, and I actually do think that we will be able to do that. I think we were bullish almost too soon with this clearly whale move or whale buy order. And I think that once people actually realize, you can actually see the volume doubled in a matter of 10 minutes or in a matter of 15 minutes. Absolutely crazy. But I think once people actually realize the news and people get back from work and they see it, I think they'll buy it. And I think there will be some sort of a FOMO kicking in. And therefore, I think we are strong enough. And the technicals back it up as well. I mean, breaking above $50 is definitely not nothing. But I think at some point we'll be able to break above 54, 55 and get up to that next price target at 58. Now, as I said, if it's necessary, if we touch that level, and if you're interested in that, I'll cover tomorrow whether we can actually break through that. Perhaps we have already done that, because frankly, it's very well possible. If momentum really kicks in, we can easily reach our next price target around $62. But for now, 58 is my first price target, because I do think we'll find resistance there. So that's my take on Egld for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.